So very pleasant good morning bacha. So welcome to the second part of the video in which we were doing the class 10th biology 10-year questions for Punjab School Education Board. So now let's come to next question. So it is a very important question as far as Punjab board students are concerned. Beta, you are definitely going to get this question as far as your finals is concerned. Okay, so this diagram is must. So a obla question this is that question which I must suggest that you can leave all the diagrams but not this. So this is the extremely important diagram, so let's make it how to draw the cross section of a flower. So better first of all you will have to make a stigma followed by style, then ovary, in between the ovules, after ovules you have to make thalamus and pedicel, and from here you will make some anther stamen part, so this particular is anther and this is our filament which is spotting the anther, followed by petals, and at last the green colored sepals. So beta this is stigma on which the pollen grain lands, and it is the style, it is ovary, these are ovules, this is our anther, this is our filament, and this is thalamus, this is sepals, this is pedicel. So beta this is an extremely important point, and please remember this whole part is basically carpal, that is female part, and this particular part is male part and called as stamen. It is the male part of the flower. So beta please remember this diagram from the core of your heart. You will get this in 3 or 5 mark question. So this is extremely important. बेटे इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन जो है वो हमने अपनी जो जब मैं पूरा चैप्टर लूँगा रिप्रोडक्शन का तो उसमें हम इसे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. So for now just remember this particular diagram. Now better contraceptive methods. So in recent years this particular topic has gained much attention as far as PSEB is concerned. So it is very important topic. First of all, what are contraceptive methods? So better remember these are ways to avoid pregnancy even after coitus. Okay, so बेटे coitus के बाद भी sexual intercourse के बाद भी pregnancy से बचना is called contraceptive methods. So beta basically there are many methods, let me explain them all. Beta contraceptive method is a big topic. So contraceptive methods, basically we divide them as a mechanical barriers, mechanical barriers, then we have the chemical methods. After chemical methods we have IUDs, that is intrauterine devices, and at last we have surgical methods. So better details I will be doing when we will be doing about the reproduction part. For now, just remember that mechanical barrier further consists of, basically its main function is to prevent fusion of sperm with egg. बेटा ये स्पर्म को एग के साथ फ्यूज नहीं करने देता, so it acts as a barrier. So the most common example is condoms. After that there are chemical methods, and beta chemical methods basically they change hormonal balance. They change hormonal balance. So that's why egg is not released, that is ovulation not take place. Now if the ovulation not take place, there will be no fertilization, means no pregnancy. So these are generally pills, for example pills. ठीक है बेटे.